Hello, my name is Brennan. This is Simon, and our problem is how might we deal with artificial intelligence for school? As you can see from our title, all in or all out, that's kind of been the motto we've been tasked with. All in means supporting artificial intelligence, all out means outright banning it. Did you know that there's over 130,000 different schools across the United States? And on November 23rd, 2022, one major problem got introduced to them all, that being ChatGPT. In a survey we found online, 90% of students knew what ChatGPT was. Now want to guess how many have used it for homework? Seriously, please guess. 89%. 89% of students use the generated work as their own, and that's a major problem for us.
Now, you might be wondering how ChatGPT actually negatively affects these students. Now, using ChatGPT's resources, students can easily cheat and have a weak understanding over their topic. And most people don't actually know, but ChatGPT has bias to it, so you're not getting both sides of the argument. And for those people who have personal devices at home and those who don't, it's a lot more easier for the people who do because they can use it if the district blocks their websites. And how this mainly affects the teacher now is because the teacher will mainly get pinpointed for their mistakes in the low class average by just having the students do terrible with their weak understanding, and teachers now have another step in their role just to check if someone did ChatGPT on their assignment.
Our solution is very simple but effective. With our timeline being 48 days, we knew we couldn't design and manufacture a new product. So what did? We did our research. In our research, we found a technique used in the medical field with a budget of $0. In this, students will learn the material outside of the classroom, and inside of the classroom, they're actually working on the homework. This means that the teacher is actively engaging with each and every student, and students are allowed to talk to each other. In the model, you can see we got rid of the traditional rows and moved to groups of tables. This is designed close enough where students can not only just talk to their shoulder partner, but also across the room. We want people to feel safe and comfortable and allow them to present to the class because 70% of students actually suffer with public speaking.
Now, how does this actually benefit students and teachers? Well, first off, students get a better understanding for all their concepts in their class, and which will lead to lower failure rate and higher retention of the topic that they're currently working on right now. And students will have just a better all-over understanding over topics, and teachers can easily see whenever students will struggle.
How does this deal with AI? Well, it's simple. With the teacher walking around and making sure everyone's has a good grasp on the subject, students shouldn't need to use ChatGPT for the wrong reasons. This means that AI doesn't need to get banned, and it can be used for what it's actually intended for, which is helping people. Teachers can use it to create fun and exciting worksheets for the students. Students can use it to get in-depth analysis over a certain topic they might be troubled with. And we actually did interviews with people both in college and the professional field. And what we found out is that ChatGPT is used often. If school is used to prepare you for your future, and we're banning one of the tools that is clearly in it, we're not doing justice to that. We want them to utilize this. So how do we get this solution to work? I know Simon's wondering this, and probably you are as well. Well, it's two simple things: teacher cooperation and testing. We need our teachers to forget their old habits of staying behind the desk and embrace this new one of actively engaging with each and every student. We also need them to have the material ready for the students each day. For testing, we need to see how the students are doing academically. From our research, it shows that their grades should be going up, so we want to make sure that that happens. We also want to see how they're handling this new level of stress. We know that some students work long hours, and we want this to benefit them just as much as everyone else. So this could be adding maybe another study hall, currently expanding the current study hall, or maybe talking to the teacher or counselor and working out some sort of solution. Now we're at the end of the presentation, and we got to reveal something to you that both of us have been dreading. We actually didn't write this. Sorry, that was way too fast. We actually did not write this. ChatGPT did it for us.
We're just kidding, but well, is that ChatGPT is basically part of and going to be part of our future now, and everyone should just basically embrace it, and it can write you PowerPoints and essays just like that.
And that's it. Thank you very much for the time.